The healthcare and life sciences industry is inundated with data, yet many organizations struggle to unlock its full potential. Complex regulations, siloed information, and the demand for faster, more effective treatments create significant barriers. Off-the-shelf AI solutions often fall short, unable to meet the unique needs of this sector. At ZionAI, we offer a specialized approach to overcoming these challenges. Our tailored AI solutions are specifically designed for the healthcare and life sciences industry. With deep expertise in data management, regulatory compliance, and industry-specific AI applications, we transform complex data into actionable insights. Our intelligent AI agents automate tasks, our comprehensive knowledge graphs reveal hidden patterns, and our AI-driven business processes drive efficiency. We enhance patient experiences through personalization and develop robust AI strategies to guide your transformation journey. ZionAI's three-phased approach propels your healthcare organization forward. Fuel, laying the foundation with a strong data strategy, infrastructure, and AI readiness. Ignite, developing and deploying AI solutions for precision medicine, drug discovery, and patient engagement. Ascend, scaling AI initiatives, optimizing operations, and achieving sustained value. Unlock the power of AI in healthcare with ZionAI to transform your organization and shape the future of healthcare. Try ZionAI services for free today.